Let's learn about the rules for writing these chemical formulas. Here is the first and most important golden rule. The charges or valencies must balance. If one atom has two hands and the other has one hand, you need two of the second one to balance. Same for charge. The charges must balance out. No leftover positive or negative. The second rule is that the metal always comes first, then the non-metal. Take the case of salt, for example. It is written as NaCl. Sodium is a metal and chloride is a non-metal. So sodium chloride is written as NaCl and not ClNa. This rule applies to all ionic compounds. For example, potassium bromide is KBr and not BRK, or magnesium oxide is MgO and not OMg, and calcium chloride is CaCl2, not Cl2Ca. Okay, and rule 3. For polyatomic ions or group ions, use brackets if there are more than one. What does that mean? Let's break it down. Firstly, what are polyatomic ions? So we already know about ions like Na+, Cl-, Mg2+. These are called monoatomic ions because they are formed with just one type of atom. Polyatomic ions are formed when two different atoms bond and form an ion, like OH- called hydroxide. Other polyatomic ions include nitrate, sulfate, phosphide, etc. Okay, coming back to the rule. For polyatomic ions, use brackets if there's more than one. Take magnesium hydroxide. This is one magnesium and two hydroxide ions, and is written like this. Now, if you didn't use the brackets, MgOH2 would mean two hydrogen atoms only. But with the bracket, means two full OH ions. So the rule simply says, if your compound has more than one polyatomic ion, use brackets. Remember these three rules and you'll never go wrong.